Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kafka Connect with Confluent for data sync. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will set up Kafka Connect with Confluent for data synchronization. First, ensure you have a Confluent platform installed. You can download the Confluent platform from the official website. Once installed, open the terminal and navigate to your Confluent directory. To start the necessary services, run the command confluent local services start. This command starts Zookeeper, Kafka, and Schema registry. Next, create a new configuration file for Kafka Connect. You can name it Connect Standalone.properties. Open this file in your preferred text editor. In the configuration file, specify the Bootstrap servers by adding bootstrap.servers equals localhost 9092. Set the key and value converters by adding key.converter equals org.apache.kafka.connect.json.json converter. Add value.converter equals org.apache.kafka.connect.json.json converter. For further configuration, specify offset.storage.file.filename equals /tmp/connect.offsets. Now, we need to create a connector configuration file. Name it myconnector.properties. Open this new file in the text editor. Define the connector name by adding name equals myconnector. Then set the connector class by adding connector.class equals org.apache.kafka.connect.file.file stream source. Next, set the topic to which the data will be sent by adding topic equals my_topic. Specify the file path for the input file with the property file equals path/to/your/input/file.txt. Indicate the task max by adding tasks.max equals 1. Now that you have your configuration files ready, it's time to start Kafka Connect. Run the Kafka Connect command with the properties using Connect Standalone. Type in the command like this, bin/connect standalone /etc/kafka/connect standalone.properties /etc/kafka. You should now see the log output indicating that the connector has been started. To verify data synchronization, produce some test data to the specified input file. Monitor the Kafka topic using the console consumer to see if the data is flowing. Run the command Kafka console consumer bootstrap server localhost 9092 topic my_topic from beginning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.